It's almost that time of year where we're finding beautiful pumpkins everywhere. So here's a little glam pumpkin DIY inspiration. You need glitter, paper towel insert, fabric of your choice, scissors, some polyfill, and some Mod Podge. Cut your paper towel insert down to your desired height. Place it in the center of your fabric. Then take your polyfill, fluff it out, and begin to build your perimeter. Take the four corners of your fabric, pull them to the center, and begin to stuff them inside of your paper towel insert. Fluff and mold until you get to your desired shape. I used foil to mold a stem for the top of the pumpkin. Then I used Mod Podge and glitter to detail it. I used my glue gun to seal the seams of my pumpkin, and once that was completed, then I went around the perimeter of the pumpkin with Mod Podge and glitter. And here's the result. Some beautiful fur glam pumpkins. Wow, what a statement. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And guess what? Stay tuned. More videos to come.